Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to apply for the right job and get the right job that matches your skill set. So let's get started. Mostly students who recently graduated or graduating in the near future, or even some experienced individuals, when they're applying for new jobs, they get confused on what kind of jobs they should apply to. They kind of go to random title search and then apply to random jobs, and they get rejected majority of the time. Sometimes they have to apply to like thousands of jobs just to get like one interview and things like that. So that can be reduced exponentially if you kind of uh, apply to the right job, the right job title, and the right job description. So the first thing for that you need to do is that make sure you have a very good resume. So if you have a very good resume, make sure the resume kind of matches all of your skill set that you have achieved through schooling or through experience and things like that. And then what you need to do is you can just go to ChatGPT and kind of ask ChatGPT on which kind of jobs you will be a good candidate. So what I would do is that I have like a demo resume, which is this resume is for a data analyst with a lot of experience in data analysis. And then there's some experience about data science as well. So I'll just see how much ChatGPT or what ChatGPT recommend me based on the resume and the skill set. So I'll just ask ChatGPT on what job should I apply to based on my resume. So I'll just copy and paste my resume here, and then I'll just press enter. So now ChatGPT is going to process that information and kind of give me all the job titles that I can apply to. It says that based on your technical experience, some potential job roles that may be a good fit for you. So data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, cloud solution architect, robotic process automation developer, technical consultant, database developer, business intelligence analyst, and visualization designer. And then here are some of the other details. So it says that your technical skills in big data analytics, business analysis, data visualization, machine learning, cloud computing, robotic process automation makes you a good candidate for data driven roles. Your proficiency in softwares like Databricks, Tableau, Lucid Chart, Microsoft Visio, UiPath, Jira, along with your knowledge of programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, or SQL. SQL Oracle will enable you to contribute efficiently or effectively to various roles that require proficiency in data analysis, automation, and visualization. And also kind of gives you a little bit more detail about that your experience in analyzing business process extraction and or extracting and analyzing data-driven development and implementation. You have had bots collaboration with. Okay, so this kind of gives you a little bit more details about your resume. You can also ask for more things, like here you can say that so I don't see like a data engineer role in here, so I'm going to ask like as a machine learning engineer, I'm going to ask that should I apply to data engineer role. And then let's see what ChatGPT says. Says that based on the information you provided in your resume, it seems that your skills and experience are more aligned with data analysis and business analysis roles, rather than data engineering role. Data engineers typically focus on design, construction, and maintenance of large-scale data processing systems such as data warehouses, ETL pipeline, and data lakes. They're responsible for managing, optimizing the performance of these systems. So it kind of tells you a little bit more details about that. You can also ask more questions, like, hey, uh, can I apply to software developer role? Okay, and then ask a question and see what happens. So, based on information provided in resume, it seems that you have some relevant technical skills, experience that could be useful for software developer role, in particular, proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, as well as your experience with cloud computing and data visualization tools like Tableau. could be valuable for developing software applications. So look at that. See, it's very helpful because all you did was kind of fed your resume to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is just processing this. You can ask a lot of questions like, "Hey, can I apply to cloud engineer?" And then also, so these are since this resume is very tech based, it is kind of giving me all the technical or related job titles. But if your resume is not IT related, it does not matter. You just read your resume and ChatGPT will kind of give you different ideas on what you need to do and which jobs you can apply to. It says, so I asked for a cloud engineering role, and it says based on technical skills and experience mentioned in resume, it seems that you have some relevant experience that could be useful for a cloud engineer role. In particular, your knowledge of cloud computing, experience with big data analytics, data visualization, and machine learning could be valuable for designing, managing cloud infrastructure. Cloud engineers are responsible for designing, implementing, and managing cloud-based system and infrastructure, as well as ensuring the security and reliability of the cloud services. So as you can see that it talks about Google Cloud Group, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and the proficiency in programming language. So as you can see that all I did was just fed my resume to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is giving me all these different valuable knowledge about me on how I can improve it and how I can improve my job search, which kind of jobs I should be applying to. So these are the titles that I got in the beginning. So if I were to apply for jobs, I will just look for these titles. And whenever you go like for data analyst, data analyst or business analyst role, when you go to that, when you use the search term, you will go in there and make sure you read the job description, because data analyst in one company sometimes means different for data analyst in another company, and sometimes they have a very different skill set that they need. So make sure you kind of go to the job description as well to make sure it kind of align with your skill set. Also, when you're applying for jobs, make sure you don't only kind of ignore a job because it matches some of your skill set. So if it matches some of your skill set, you should still apply, because most of the jobs description are very generic, and honestly nobody is 100% matched for those job descriptions, because nobody have all those different experiences that you're asking for. If you match just some of them, even 50% of them, you should always apply for that job. And that way you will have a good turnaround. You will get a lot of callbacks, or some callbacks. You won't have to apply to jobs that kind of do not match with your skill set. So this is it for this video. I hope this was very helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.